Okay, look at this. Just a short video here. I wanted to show you this. So this is my newest toothpaste. I'm trying to switch up for dental reasons. This is my newest toothpaste. First time using it. Still have to get used to the taste. This is the one I tried last time. I finished this. Here's Tom's of Maine. This is what I've been using. The Tom's of Maine fluoride-free toothpaste for over the past decade. I mean, when I started college, that's when I started using this toothpaste. Sometime around when I was in college. So, over a decade, I've been using Tom's of Maine. This is the size of the previous bottle. That's what it used to be. And this is the size that it's been like the past year or two right here. So check that out. I just wanted to show you that. So yes, products in the store have been getting smaller, and I've noticed it. Also with food as well. I've noticed food like blueberries, if I can think of anything else. But yes, products are getting less and less, in the packages. Everything's getting smaller, and you're paying more. So just wanted to show this video. Here's your proof. But yes, I don't remember. Yes, I still have expiration bottles. So this one, 0924. Yes, I still have that. Just to show you right here what it looks like. This one is 2025. Can't tell. This has to be probably 2026. No, expiration date is 09/2027. That's expiration date. So this one was the latest one I was using, still good. But that's just to show you the size differences and what they're doing, these companies are doing at these stores and shops. Just there you go.